Our math course will utilize a program called MyOpenMath for a lot of our assignments, reviews, quizzes, and the final exam. This is a really cool program. I just want to demonstrate a few of its features. So here we're looking at week 2 of the class. I'm just logged in as a student to demonstrate this. You've got to go in order as you go through the assignments and lessons. So I'm going to click on this assignment, adding and subtracting rational numbers. Now I've already started it previously, so you didn't have to see me do the whole assignment. Normally, when you click on a new assignment, it would have a start button right here. This one says resume because I've already been into it and I just want to demonstrate a few things. So instructions will come up and they're going to be similar for each assignment. Just encourage you to glance at those. A couple different ways you can access questions. You can do a drop down, see how many questions there are. This one, for example, I've already answered a number of the questions correctly, didn't do the last couple. The first one I did, but I'm going to redo it just to demonstrate something. You can click these arrows to go forward or backward through an assignment, or we can click down here on first question. Very intuitive. So this is a fraction. If we click here, it'll come up format, or I can even just use my keyboard and type in, and it will automatically format it for me. That's really neat. I just want to demonstrate. I'm going to get this wrong a couple times just to demonstrate what happens. Submit question. 511, submit question. I also want to point this out. Even though the lessons will prepare you for these assignments, many of the questions have built-in help as well. So this one has a video built into it. So a video link will come right up. Maybe I could watch this and review a question that's similar to help me if I'm stuck. So that's many of the questions will have video or other help available. One more time, I'm going to miss it on purpose just to show you what happens. After 3 tries, a little key will pop up. You can click that to see the correct answer. And then a really cool thing is you can click Get a Similar Question. So because I've already answered this correct before, it says 10 out of 10. Normally it would say 0 because I hadn't got it correct. But you can get a similar question. It'll have up to 19, 20 different versions that you can try. So there's no reason not to be able to get a question correct. So this one is 6/8, which will reduce to 3/4. And I got it correct. Now I'm going to just go here quickly through. I've already done these. So you just go through each question. And same thing. Now these last couple, I just typed in an answer to kind of demonstrate. You do have to get at least 80% on this, so 8 out of 10 correct. It won't let you leave them blank. So I would encourage you to try and get 100, answer every question correctly. But just for time's sake here, I wanted to demonstrate this. So I've gone through it. I have earned 80 out of 100, the score I need to pass and move forward. So now I click Done, and it'll show me a quick summary. I can go back and look at the questions that I had and the answers that I've typed in. On question 1, let's see if I click Details. It will show me the last entry. I got a 10 out of 10. I thought it might show that I'd taken multiple attempts on it. As a teacher, I can see that you've taken multiple attempts, but it looks like maybe it doesn't do that for the student side. And you can click resume if you want to get back into it. Okay, if you do that, it'll just take you back to it. So how do I get out of this? So from this screen, in fact, let me go here. So since I've clicked done, a couple ways you can get out. You can go back here to the week folder. If I click next, let's see where that takes us. That will now take me to the next activity. Let me click the folder here just to demonstrate. So if you're ever unsure, how do I get out of this thing? Again, from inside it, you can just click back here on the folder or next if you've passed it. If you haven't passed it, next won't let you move forward, but you can click out of that. So really powerful program. You can do square roots, you can do exponents. It will allow you to plot points, to graph lines. So there are a lot of really cool features. I think most of them are very intuitive. You can kind of figure them out by playing with it a little bit. But if you ever have any questions as you're going through the course, as you're utilizing MyOpenMath, please reach out to your instructor.